Skip the clip button on Twitch and let me show you how you can use Mixitup to create clips and send them directly to your Discord. Before we begin, we want to make sure that Mixitup is installed on our PC. But if you haven't, you want to go to mixitupapp.com, select download, download installer, and then save as to your downloads folder and follow the installation instructions as followed. After Mixitup is installed, go ahead and log in. If you haven't logged in before, go ahead and select new streamer and then follow the prompt on the screen. Now that we've logged in, we need to add our Discord. To do this, head over to your menu, scroll down until you see services, select Discord, and then connect your Discord. Since I've already done this, it's going to show that I need to log out. All you got to do is click connect and then follow the instructions as is. Now that we have our Discord connected, we'll want to head back to commands. Go to your menu, scroll up to the top, select commands, and then you'll want to do new command. Once you select new command, a new command editor window will pop up. To start, we'll want to name it clip and make sure that our command group is in whatever group that you choose to put in. Our chat trigger will be a clip, and what this chat trigger does is anytime that a viewer does exclamation point clip, it'll clip the last 30 seconds of your stream. Also, we want to make sure that our auto include exclamation point is turned on. Next, we need to add the Twitch panel from underneath the action drop down menu, and underneath this Twitch panel, we want to make sure that the type is clip, and then show info in chat is either checked on or off. Add a wait panel from underneath the action drop down menu, and underneath this wait panel, I chose to go with 10 seconds, but you can customize this however you like. What this wait command does is it will trigger a wait of 10 seconds between the time that the command is issued to the time that it is posted in your chat or your Discord. Next, we need to add our Discord panel, and to do this, grab Discord from the action drop down menu, and underneath this Discord panel, under the action, we need to choose send message. Channel, you'll want to choose your clips and highlights channel, and under the chat message, I just chose username, created a clip with a line break and a clip URL. You can choose to customize this message as long as you use the special identifiers. Once you're satisfied with your command, go ahead and click save. Creating a command for your viewers to capture and share your epic moments to Discord is such a fun and engaging way to build your community. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for future content. For more videos like this, check out my Mixitup tutorial on how to shout out your viewers automatically.